things that we do to become stronger. There's just so many things we all try to do. Now, what we all have to do is try to become stronger. And when you try to become stronger, you need backup. Of course, you always need backup. Now, this account is going on 2 months and 1 day. 2 months and 1 day. November 20th is when I made this account. November 20th. Feels like such a long time ago. If you have any questions, just ask. I did not record any of his training just because I just didn't really want to. Yeah, there's a lot of things I wanted to do. Ha 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 ha. Jackie, you're not supposed to attack until everyone is ready. Rookie. Yeah, you just ran in there all willy-nilly. What the heck's going on with you? Okay, Jackie. Time to fight, Jackie. Hopefully I can get this tie working on you. 2.5 mil life, that's it? Oh, you guys are going to get chomped. Just by Jackie alone. Jackie. Where's little Boo at? There you are. Get your little butt in there. Ain't gonna do much, but it's better than nothing. Look, he's already dead. 2-point-some mil life. On to the next one. Jackie, don't attack unless we are ready. Jackie's a beast, man. Look, he just run in there and gets whacked. He don't care. He does not care at all. Oh, I haven't been watching the SP on here. Let's see what we got. What is Jackie hitting for? 39G. What? Robbery. I'm ready to walk out right now. This is supposed to be 3 times experience. Not good. Snake Way is definitely not the place to be during any kind of training. So KidRawsha gets about 2.3. Jackie gets about 41. This is on max level map. I'm really disappointed. Like, I knew it was going to go slow and I knew they were going to die because they're not meant for this area. But just seeing these numbers, yo. These numbers are just not cutting it for me at all. Wow, 38K. 19 minutes left. I'm just going to keep going because I guess that's just what I do for you guys. Well, I didn't get completely to the end. 3, 4, 5, 6 monsters left. Oh, I started glitching, of course, DBO. The tie wouldn't work, and then that would happen. Oh, lovely day, lovely day. Alright, for doing 1 Snake Way, we made 2.7 billion clan achievement points. I have no clue what the hell that means. Probably has something to do with how much, let's see, when a Namek is in the area, you heal more. When a Saiyan's in the area, you do damage more. When a human's in the area, I believe you take less damage. I'm not really sure how that goes. Test it out. It's been a while. I think that increases more. The more points you get here, I believe that increases more. But I could be wrong, like a lot of things. So, look it up. Treasure Cave, 110. $30K, $32K. Ties fail, and pop goes the weasel. Alright, I just added 3 satellites. 38K from Kaioken. Figures. Horrible timing. See how much a Kamehameha Blast gives. Kamehameha. Oh, he won't stop Kaiokening. You see that? That's why Kaioken's so horrible. He's like addicted to it. Just like Goku. There you go, 131,000 SP off a critical. Oh great, my battery's dying. Just my luck. Oh, I couldn't save him in time. Little Billy, you died. So you can clearly see this SP is better. I did not use the satellites. What was it, 36 at Snake Way, and then the first one that I killed here was 36 too. So maybe if I would have just put satellites up in Snake Way, it would have been the same. No guarantee. With us killing them, even by killing 1 or 2, because we're moving, putting up the satellites is kind of a waste. 3 satellites for 1 guy. Yeah, that's a waste. I just had to do it though. You know me, I love wasting gems. As my little dudes die all the time. $111,000. Oh, nice! He just pulled 100,000 attack Kaioken. Yeah, not bad.